How to fix too many attempts on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix too many attempts on TikTok. So it's so easy, but first thing you should do is go to Play Store and install VPN. And once the VPN is installed, all you need to do is open and activate. This is the first step. The second step is go to your TikTok. Go to your profile and now check to see is that error corrected. So this is, guys, it's so easy. All you need to do is follow the step I gave you, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.